Hello game lovers, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we will learn how to play Roblox game for first time. Actually this game is really popular for the kids. If you love to play this game or your kids, actually game is the way like to entertainment you anybody can play, but in my case I have my daughter 8 year old. She want to play this game. She always play on her iPad, but today she asked me if she can play on my MacBook and she can record screen so she can show what she can do inside the game on her channel. So I tried to do it, but it was not easy to set up for first time. So I decided to make a video. Whoever want to learn, whoever have a struggling to start up. So in this video, we will see how you can sign up, how you can start for first time. So now let's start. How you can start. First, I take you back on my Google page. Inside the Google, simply that's the easiest way to find. You can search for ROBLOX, ROBLOX. You can put game over whatever you want to put behind it, but I will say Roblox. At the first one you see, it says here game Roblox. You click on it. So at the first point, actually my daughter have her account already made, but if you are new, what we gonna do, you're gonna click on sign up. At the sign up page, you have to put your month, the birth date, the day, and here you have to put your username, password, you have to tell your gender. And some case, what can possibly happen here if you try to keep a username whatever you want, probably it will not give you the username. It will keep saying your username is taken. You have to try a couple usernames. Once you got the username, just click on sign up. You will be ready to go. That's all you have to do. There's not any other information you have to provide or anything. You just have to put your date of birth, use username, and you have to keep password, and you have to follow the instruction whatever they say. You have to tell you your gender. You sign up. That's all you have to do. Once you sign up, you will be already logged in, but I have a her account already, so I will just simply click on login. So once you log in, it will come to you this page. Actually this page, it will tell you you have this avatar already. You can shop, you can do something, or you can just go here. On left hand side there are three lines. You can go home, profile. There's a couple things you can try those one too. You can have some friends, whatever. The possibility you can go through each one time by time. Once you learn, you can start. But simply to check this avatar, we're gonna click on profile. If you click on profile, it will take you to your profile page. It will show you everything, how many friends you have, how many followers you have, how many you following. And over here is 3D view of your avatar. When you are going to play game, this person going to be appear inside the game. You can change something here, whatever their dress or hair code or stuff, like you can change their dress or something. And over time you can earn some of the point, and then you can buy more stuff with the points. So here is the cartoons. I'm not sure what are those one yet, but those are two things about in the cartoons. So now this is the avatar we are going to play. It's gonna be appear inside the game. Once you start playing game, you guys start earning some of the root box will appear over here. At this time she has a 0. You can also buy, but I'm just going to be let her play free. So that's the home page. To play game, now on the top menu over here, if you see, we're gonna click on games. Inside the games, you can pick any game. Any game you want to play. First time what you have to do, I'm gonna pick the one my daughter tell, Granny. First time you have to install this Roblox. So my daughter wants to play this one. To the next page, if and to play we're gonna just click on play button, and we have to download and install that game. I will click download. I will click play, and it will take a couple seconds. It will ask us to download and install. We will click download. I say allow. And now it's downloading in my Safari. As soon as download, it also give us some instruction over it. Download, double click, install, then finish, then you play. So we're gonna click on this guy here. Start installing right now. Over here we say double click to install. I double click. I will say open. They're pretty simple instructions. You just need to follow whatever you see. It depends on your computer speed. If your computer is really faster, probably gonna be quick. But in my case, I have an old, like it's mid 2012 MacBook, and it's taking a little longer time. Now it's configuring ROBLOX. Almost there. Okay, Roblox is successfully installed. Click to play button on any game to join the action. Okay. Click OK. Allow. So now I'm here. Now we can play game. So I'm gonna close this one. As you can see, I'm ready. So basically, so far successfully we have this game already, and we are already in. We can play. So and next step, what happens if you have to play more games? There's a lot of games. There's a ton of games inside the Roblox. So what happens if you have to play another one? So what you have to do, you have to close this one. To closing this game, simply you click on the left hand corner on the top. There's three lines. If you click on those three lines and that menu bar, you will just choose leave games. You can click resume game, you can start playing, but you click on leave game, then click on leave again, and you now on this page. We are playing this game. Now we have a download finish already, and as you can see we have a played game already, so we can play any game from here now. You can choose any game, but there are some of the games you have to pay for a Robux. Like this one, it needed 25 credit. I don't have any, so she will be managed to play any free game. So simply we're gonna click on any game you want to play. You can pick any game, but I'm looking for the one she asked me. Granny. Granny. As I search for Granny, you can search any game you love to play, and you can just click on play button. Simply give access to your MacBook, allow. You don't have to download. You will see this message. Just ignore it. It will take a couple seconds and you will be inside the game. You will be able to play. You don't have to download a Roblox again and again for each game. You download once, that's all. Then you can play any game. It's free inside without downloading. And now you can see I'm already inside the game. I'm just moving my mouse. I have no idea how to play this game. My daughter know really well. She is the professional, so then I will let her play this game. After that, then we are going to start recording screens of those videos, and we will post on her YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is named as a Baljit Johal. You can always search on YouTube, and I will also leave a link in description if you wish to watch her videos and give her a subscriber and some likes, whatever the comment you wish to do on her channel, then we will be really appreciated. That's all for today. In this video we learned how to set up your Roblox account and how you can start playing at the first time on your laptop. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.